Hello there, welcome to this stream today, and my name is Darlington Gospel. Of course, this is Dapp Mentors. I'm glad that you're here, and if you're here, just understand that this channel is a place where we help people transition from being just a Web2 developer into becoming a Web3 developer. We're also doing stuff like introducing developers into Web3, transitioning them. If you're just a single chain developer, we're also helping to make you a multi-chain developer, all in this channel. So you have to hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. Please, we need that to boost up all the things that we're doing on this channel. There is so many things that are coming, and we want to push it out there so that a lot of people can benefit from it just as much as you are benefiting as well. In this video today, I want to introduce you to Cursor IDE. If you don't already know about Cursor IDE, this is a good chance for you to know. So I want to review with you the Cursor IDE so that you will see firsthand the need and the necessity for pair programming. This is a world where AI is just infiltrating every areas of life, every segment of life, and one of those areas is in software development. This particular video today is not only unique to Web3 developers, but as a Web3 developer using this tool now, I would like you to also apply it to your own code tooling so that it will help you, so that some of those questions that you do have for me will no longer be necessary, because this AI can help you to get it together. All right, I don't know if I've actually reviewed Find, but there is an AI package that I used to use called Find, and it goes well with VS Code just by default. But this one that I'm about to review to you is called Cursor IDE. It's a clone of VS Code, but it's been AI impregnated. So every angle of it has an AI feature that you really will appreciate it from command line tooling. So there are AI feature for helping you generate commands on for your terminal. There's also code generation in case you want to generate new code, new function, new logics into your application. You can instruct it, and that AI will just do that fantastic thing for you. You don't need to think every single thing for yourself. One of the key features of Cursor is its auto-suggestion. The ability to automatically suggest what you're going to do is almost as if it intuitively knows what you're going to do next. Like in this part, this Cursor just know exactly what I needed to do in the next line of code and just applied it for me, with my permission, of course. So that is, a gold gem right there. This is one ability that Cursor does have. So the next feature that I saw about this Cursor is the ability to really chat, ask questions about your code. That is the cool thing about pair programming. It helps you to understand, ask questions, and then the AI will go about looking for some answers that will help you to restructure your code in a lot much better way. So I use this to perform some analysis, to give me some insight, so I could chat with this and I could do that. I could do this all with this particular Cursor. So it's a very nice one, and it will find the problem and help you to resolve it. And if you have any issues extra, you can continue asking more questions until you get the kind of answer that you're looking for. So another one is, if you want to perform some function, you want to create some function, it's kind of suggestively understand how you want this function to be structured, especially if you had used that function or created such kind of function in a different place. It just understood by default that, okay, it's supposed to do something like this, and it saves you a lot of time. You just put everything under the hood, and it keeps giving you, that suggestion, almost like Copilot, method. So I really had a lot of assistance, building stuff this way. This is what a lot of developers are looking forward, in their programming. This will really solve your problem for you, but it doesn't, take over and code it for you. You still have to, structure the logic and all that. So this is what I discovered: functions about functions, suggestions about suggestions. You understand? And it just as if it knew exactly what I was supposed to do. And this is one of the coolest things that I truly understood and enjoyed about this Cursor. So you guys should check them out. It's cool. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me reviewing it and showing you how you can do this as a Web3 developer. This is from a Web3 developer review. It also have the ability to, you can split a function. You can actually instruct the AI to help you and split a function in two, or refactor it, or do stuff like put down a try catch on it. Anything that will make you like really to enhance your code, the AI can get it done for you. Like in this part, I'm just instructing the AI to split the function into two places, and it did a pretty good job. Like, I was quite impressed, concerning what I was seeing, with the AI. Okay, see, I get these two function out of one, and you can just apply it, which is one other advantage it does have. You can decide to click and apply, and it's almost like this GitHub thing where you can click accept, and the new code is just optimized and suit into the picture. This is a great addition in the pair programming world. Another, fantastic thing that I did with this Cursor was the refactoring ability. So I was asking this Cursor in this part that, okay, can you help me to refactor this code into, a more manageable format? You get that whole idea, because code sometimes can become so cumbersome, can become so wide. So I asked that Cursor to take care of it, reduce it, make it a lot more smaller, and it actually generated me a really good set of code. As you can see, it has basically refactor the code, break it into smaller function, isolate different things all together. All I just did was then arrange it in a way. This really facilitates your productivity. You should also know that this doesn't just take over your job. You understand? You still need to have some sense and apply it properly. So I went on to apply this new code, and everything just seemed okay, although there's still some things I had to add up. In this part, I was able to take care of. It was so good at understanding the kind of data type I was supposed to have in a function. This is cool. It saves you a lot of stress. I don't need to, it just understood how to apply that same ideas into, you can see how it just knows exactly which particular function should have all this, and that saves you a lot of time, a lot of repetitive typing. So I was actually very much happy with how this Cursor was dealing with parameters and function. Saves you a whole lot of time, which is really good. Like in this part, I was asking it to generate a certain function or a certain piece of code to retrieve some token, and it was quite brilliant to do that code generation. This is really cool. You will understand this, but if you learn it, if you're someone like me that is dabbling into a whole lot of programming language, a whole lot of stuff, you will really need the assistance of AI to make things a lot faster for you, because you may not always have understanding. Gone are the days where you have to do Stack Overflow for every single thing, but now you don't have to do that. So this application just went on and generated exactly what I wanted. This Cursor, this is a beautiful IDE. One of the things that I tested out about this IDE again is also the ability to generate command because you may not always know every kind of command there is out there about an application. So, but you can just ask it. You can use that that command CLI terminal 2 to actually detect which command by asking question, which command should you do to start up a certain thing, and it will literally just get you that command, and you can paste it there. And if you have any issues with the command that you're pasting, you can also debug it. Okay, like you can see in this part, I performed that command, and it gave me the exact command that I needed to do to start this application. Okay, so I also checked out, I tried it out, did a fake thing to give me error, and when it did, I used the debug tool. The debug tool of that AI, also of this Cursor IDE, also helps you to detect where the problem is actually coming from. So you can use this to reason with the AI, okay, which is cool. And not only that, you can, outside of reasoning with the AI, you can also resolve problem that comes with the terminal. So it gives you access to terminal issues, and you can have that resolved as well. The AI will check it out for you and get it all resolved, which is really cool. It's more like a full stack AI tooling that will help you to ace your development. So this is what I really discovered with this Cursor AI.